message is transmitted at the request of Belarus City Police Department. A mandatory evacuation has been declared. Multiple unknown creatures have been reported across Belarus City. These creatures have been confirmed to be the Pokemon Deoxys. Its clones have been seen carrying people and Pokemon away to an unknown location, and is confirmed to be extremely dangerous. It is also confirmed that Rayquaza has been attracted to this Pokemon, as Deoxys may be a threat to this planet. All residents are ordered to evacuate the city. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered hand crank or weather radio. Do not return to the city until it is confirmed safe. Repeat, a mandatory evacuation has been declared for Belarus City.